Psycho, 1960, is one of those famous Hitchcock movies. Even people who haven't seen it know it exists, but that's for good reason. Not only did it change the industry, it contains iconic sounds and images, but it's a damn good movie. Too many to mention, but just a couple random favorite things about it for me are the conversation with Marion and Norman. She's working through some issues and is so well spoken and such a great conversationalist. The simple chat with even just a stranger actually helps her straighten some things out in her own mind. And Norman, who, despite being the psycho, is a lonely human, like a lot of people, and he wants to connect with another human desperately. You can see that in his personality. But as we come to find out, Norman's too far gone to recover. A couple more things I like are the drain scene, where it goes from the drain to Marion's eye, then pans through the bathroom to the newspaper, then up at the house. Like several Hitchcock's films, this is a 100 out of 100 score. It's an all-time great. It's iconic. You can watch it over and over and over. I'm Poppy Goldbutter. Keep watching movies. Bye.